And for that one, next we have the representative, the youth and expert of the green team. Wow, how cute she is.
Charlotte!
So dapat ang primary at LM hindi magpapatalo sa youth and expert ng preschool. They're facing up the